Hey everyone, Natalie here from Serpwizz. Welcome back to our Semrush series where we talk about the different tools and services that Semrush offer. And today we'll be talking about this extra tool that you can access the page. Just hold on for a minute as I load that page. Here you go. So extra tools and go to tools for Amazon. So what I'm doing currently is just going over some of these tools that I think are going to be helpful and go well hand in hand with all the other tools or all the core tools that Semrush have. So yep, that's it. Here we have one that is dedicated for Amazon, which is the Amazon Marketing Tools by Semrush. So here it deals with SEO, traffic analytics, listing optimization, advertising, product research, and more. So you can try it for free. Just head on over to semrush.com and access this tool by going to that part where I just showed you right here. And then here it claims that you can maximize your Amazon business performance in 4 easy steps. So let's find out what those steps are. So you can boost your product's visibility on Amazon with the help of this tool, enhancing your Amazon SEO, as well as easily finding top keywords for your listing search term field, and then maximizing your listings performance, which is very important because you want to be able to get as much attention as you want, especially since you're selling something off in the internet. So that's one thing. And then leveraging your new audience generation channels and protecting your sales from unpleasant changes. So just in case there will be unwanted scenarios, this tool is also something that you can help you deal with it. So use the Sell Zone toolkit to turn your AMZ business into a revenue engine. So there's that. And then if you access this tool, you'll be able to get all of these features, and of course it is backed with testimonials, awards, and proofs of how well this tool performs. So yep, that's it. If you want to try this for free, again, just hop on over to semrush.com and access this tool. And especially if you have an Amazon account and you're selling or you have business there, this is one of the tools that you may want to check out. And then just click on here, try it for free, and it will do its magic. So let me just check it and show you all what needs to be done. So this is Semrush App Center. We were directed to this one. So by clicking on the try it for free, you'll be directed to this one, which is under e-commerce. And this is what it looks like. These are, I believe, the different tools that you can use for the Amazon or for your Amazon business. So that's it. I just wanted to show you all, I just want you guys to know about this amazing Amazon marketing tools that is available in Semrush. So if you want to try it, of course, just head on over to their website, sign up for an account, and experience it for yourself. That is it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next one.